Assalamualaikum and hi. Today, our group would like to present about PBA assignment that have been given by our lecturer, Puan Sharifah. So, my name is Nur Iman Aina and my group mate name is Nur Kisina Anissa and Nur Widat. So, for question 1, it asks us to create a new user and group. So, first we open a command prompt and type sudo @user-engineer1. So, the prompt is for a password, full name and other optional info. The command also used to create a new user named engineer1. So here you can type their full name, room number, work phone, home phone and others. So for second user, we just type sudo @user support1, same as above but create a user named support1. So for question 2, it asks us to create a group named Touch Group. So the command is sudo group @touch group. So the group are used to manage permission collectively for multiple users. So next question, it asks us to add both user to the group. So the command is sudo usermod -ag touch group engineer1. -g represent to append, don't remove the user from the group, and G is to specify supplementary groups. So now we want to add support1, so just change the command to engineer1 to support1. To confirm that engineer1 is already in the group, we just run a command named groups engineer1. Same as engineer1, now we want to make sure that support1 is already in the group, we just run the group support1.
Now, I, Nur Kistina Anissa, will explain the question 2, which is manage file and directory ownership and permission. The first task is to create a directory named project data. To do that, we can use a command mkdir project data. To see a list detailed information about the directory itself, we will use a command ls-ld project data. Make sure the spelling of project data is correct. If not, it will show ls cannot access because there is no such file or directory. By using a command sudo chown -r root tag group tile/project data, we can change ownership of project data and all its content. Use command ls-ld project data to see the change. To change the current directory to the project data, use a command cd. The command sudo touch report.txt are used to create an empty file called report.txt. Using a command ls-l, we can see list of file detail info, but in here it shows the group is in root. To change that, we will use a command sudo chown, just the same as before, to change the group as the tag group. Set the following permission: owner who can read, write, execute, group who can read and execute, others no access. To do that, we will use a command sudo chmod 750 /project data/report.txt. By using a command ls-l /project data, it will list all the files in project data with detailed info. Question 3. Implement access control. We need to assign user support1 read-only access to file report.txt using ACL. To do that, we will use command sudo set facl -m u:support1:r /project data/report.txt. The meaning of -m is modify ACL for meaning of u:support1:r is to grant support1 read permission on report.txt. This shows set facl option -f incomplete. It is because between u:support there is no space. Using a command get facl /project data/report.txt, it will display ACL on the file, show owner, group and any specific user permission add through set facl.
Now, my name Noridat Binti Azuri would like to explain for question number 4. I use sudo mkdir -p/home/backup because this command is used to create a backup directory. /home/backup is full location of the directory to be created. The reason I use sudo nano/root/project data/backup.sh because this command is used to open or create a shell script named backup.sh in the /root/project-data directory using the nano text editor. In nano, we can write or edit text files. After we enter the nano, now we can create the script in the correct location. As shown in the screen, this is our script. Now, I would like to explain the meaning of this script. In source and destination directories, the meaning of source is it is the original location of the file to be backup, which is it will backup in /root/project-data, while the meaning of des it is destination location where the file will be copied, which is it will copy at /home/backup. In optional log backup activity, the backup activity is automatically recorded in the log file /var/log/backup.log, complete with a timestamp for each successfully executed operation. To exit from nano, just press Ctrl S, press Y to confirm saving, and then press enter to save the current file name. The next command, we will use sudo chmod +s/root/project-data/backup.sh. The reason we use this command because this command will give the script file backup.sh permission to execute. +s means add execute right. As a result, the backup.sh file can now be run as a script. Then we use sudo /root/project-data/backup.sh to run the backup script manually. All files from /root/project-data will be copied to /home/backup, and a log will be written to /var/log/backup.log with a timestamp. The reason we use ls/home/backup because we want to see the file or folder that has been copied from project data. Now we will use sudo cron tab -e because we want to schedule automate tasks such as daily backup. After we use this command, we will enter editor cron because we need to edit it to run the script /root/project-data/backup.sh every day at 1 p.m. as a root user. To verify whether the backup has been scheduled correctly, just use sudo cron tab -l to check whether it matched what we edited when opening the cron editor. That concludes the presentation for our group. Thank you very much for your kind attention.